guys, welcome back to Style Trails. I hope everyone's doing great, and I'm back with another Amazon beauty haul, and this time everything is under rupees 300. And before we proceed, hit the subscribe button if you haven't already, because this haul has some really beautiful products that you have to see, and I absolutely love them. I'm so happy with this entire haul. So now, without wasting any time, let's get started. So to begin with, I got 3 perfumes and all of them are under rupees 250. So let's just see how they smell. So the first one that I have here is the Rene Bloom. Now this is said to be the exact dupe of the Carolina Herrera perfume, and I would say this is like 95% of exact dupe of the Carolina Herrera. No doubt, absolutely love. I mean, I loved this fragrance anyways, and this is like such a cheaper version of the exact same perfume, so absolutely love it. The next one that I have is a repurchase, and this is the Plum Body Loving Vanilla Vibes perfume. Now if you love like a very sweet fragrance and if you want to smell like fresh cupcakes, then this is the fragrance for you guys. I mean, it is a very sweet, like my best friend tells me that I smell like cake or a cake shop whenever like I wear this perfume. So yeah, if you want to smell like a cake shop and if you love that fragrance, then this is the one for you. And last in the perfume line, I have this mini perfume by Miniso. Now this is Brilliant Stars. I have a very mixed feeling about this perfume. This is like a very floral fragrance, not extremely floral, but yeah, if you like floral fragrances, then you can definitely give this one a try. The smell is not too overpowering, so it just doesn't get like all up in your nose and just doesn't irritate you. So yeah, this is like a mild floral fragrance, so if you like it, then you can definitely give this one a try. So now we're done with perfumes. Now moving on to the other things that I got. So here I have a pack of 7 powder puffs, and I absolutely love that this comes in this tiny box, so it is easy to store and to carry around as well. Now all the powder puffs, like the quality is really good. Absolutely love all of them for that matter. So we have 4 round puffs and 2 raindrops, and 1 is a triangle one. After that, I have this quad eyeshadow palette from Popexo. Now this is like a neutral palette that can be carried around for your everyday makeup look. Everything is just so pigmented. Absolutely love this one. It is very chotu and the packaging is also very cute. I'm guessing the eyeshadow palette name is Drama Queen because there's no name mentioned anywhere on the packaging. So yeah. Then I have this lip balm. This is Ilana Lip Juice in Coffee Swirl, and if you guys love coffee, you guys are going to absolutely love this lip balm. It is like coffee heaven. This is sort of a tinted lip balm. I wouldn't say like a completely tinted lip balm, but yeah, at least on my lips though, I just cannot see as much difference. But the fragrance, you guys, yaar, agar tumko coffee pasand hai na, you have to get this lip balm for yourself. It is hydrating, it is somewhat long lasting as well, but the fragrance, I mean, the coffee lover in me is just so happy. Then I have these cleansing pads from Earth Rhythm. Now these are usable makeup cleansing pads, and they just work like a miracle. Like one swipe and you can get rid of all the makeup, and it is way more sustainable as well, and it is just so much easier to use. I mean, if you hate removing your makeup and removing your makeup is a task for you and you get really bored, then this is what you need to get, because you have one swipe and all of the makeup just comes off really easily. Next up, I have this pack of 2 nail paint removers. Now this is from a Amazon brand itself, and this is acetone free, paraben free, mineral oil free, and this contains castor oil. Now this actually smells like chocolate. Not a complete fan of the fragrance, because I would say like it smells like chocolate but not good quality chocolate, if it makes sense. So samajh lena. But yeah, like considering it is paraben and acetone free, for the price I get 2, it is really nice. And I mean, quality is also nice. So yeah, and it just gets rid of your nail paint like jaise normally hota hai waise. It like you don't need to like use excessively as well. Since I paint my nails a lot and very frequently, a very good deal. And lastly, I have this set of 5 nail paints from Popex. So the consistency of these nail paints is decent enough. I haven't really used any of these, but yeah, I will give you guys an update in the comment section below on how long these stay. But overall, these are like very cute chotu bottles that you get. Like overall, since the packaging is very cute and the shades are also very cute, like you get an entire rainbow shade palette in this box as well. So yeah, so this is it for today's video. I really hope you all enjoyed it. If you did, then you guys know the drill. Hit the like button and tell me in the comment section below which of these products did you like, or which of these products are you planning to purchase next. All the product links are in the description box, so do check it out in case you want to get something for yourself. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and I will see you all in my next video super soon.